part of the plant team for the EPSCoR Missouri Transect research team. It's funded by the National Science Foundation, and specifically our focus is imaging the crops with the unmanned systems. So the unmanned systems in ag, it's supposed to be, and it's being predicted as being one of the largest uses of unmanned systems. Now in our case, unmanned systems work really nice on some of these smaller plots, and we're able to fly really low and get really accurate data. We're measuring things that are 1 to 2 centimeters ground sample distance, so in 1 pixel we can see 1 to 2 centimeters. And as you can tell on the corn, that would be, you know, a very small piece of some of the leaves. So we're at the leaf size level here, or even better. And that is only really done with unmanned systems, because you cannot fly a traditional airplane or a helicopter that low. And so what we're doing is we're actually using traditional camera to create maps of the crops, and we're also collecting thermal imagery, and then the big focus of this is collecting with hyperspectral imagery. Basically that allows us to see things that we can't see with our eyes, and then some of the research team takes that and creates indices that they can measure the health and other factors that we don't even know about yet that relate to drought and other things with the crops. So obviously there's an educational and research component to this. The National Science Foundation is really big on this technology and the understanding that we get from it, and turning into things we can educate the public with, as well as students. But there is a push for a commercial application. I've mentioned that one of its focuses is to understand how to make crops that are drought resistant, because as the population grows, we need more crops to feed everyone, and obviously we can't control the weather yet. So drought resistant is a real big focus here, and if they can create seeds and plants that can handle drought better than others, then there's a greater chance that they can have a healthy crop and obviously be able to feed people better.